I don't need it. Nope. Nope. Don't need it. Don't need it. Nope. Don't need it. I need it. Welcome to Vulcan 3D Printing, where we do 3D printing projects ranging from weapon replicas, movie props. Basically, if you can think of it or wanted it ever that you've seen, we can probably do it. Today we're going to go over a print I did. It was the Leviathan Axe. It was a really cool print. I liked it a lot. Kind of was watching a God of War playthrough, specifically from Jacksepticeye, and I thought it was a lot of fun. So I decided to print it out, and time lapse will get started right about now. Alright, so I just finished up with the Leviathan Axe, and where did I put it? Fuck. Just grab the axe before you start filming. Be smart. Nope. 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 That's that went. And the axes. Alright, let's do this away. Professional. So, this axe right here is the finished product of it. It's actually really well. It's actually pretty sturdy. We were actually able to take it around the Renaissance Fair, walk around with it. Didn't really have any problems. Overall, it was a really nice print.
Little note after the video ended out, I forgot about it. We actually made 2 axes. The axe that's in the video was the second axe we made. The first axe we did was actually given to Jacksepticeye. He's an Irish YouTuber whose video I watched and actually got to experience the God of War game through. And it was a blast to watch, and it was something that I always felt really cool about. It was kind of funny that in one of his shows he was talking about how like some fan gave him a note saying, "I'm not an axe murderer," but and we go over there and we bring this Leviathan Axe in right after the show. Yeah, it was real fun, and I know that he got it because we got this little snapshot view of it. Didn't get to see him or anything or talk about the axe or anything. So it was a lot of fun. It was really cool. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the print and enjoy the end of the video. Hey,